Hello guys, I have all of the tunnels open, so I'm gonna take advantage of this time to show you how they are doing the things inside. Right here we have the watermelons. I have in the middle there is the Mickey Lee, that is the pollinator for the seedless Olympia, that you can see it right here. And on this other side I have another seedless Olympia. They're all doing fairly good. On this side here instead I have cantaloupes, different varieties from if I remember correctly, down there is a Oka. This one I think it's a Montreal melon, and starting to push out some flowers right at the tip. This strange one here that is, it seems like it wants to climb up something. It's a Sakata melon. I never grew it before, so I don't know if it's normal that it goes up like that. But there's flowers also on this one, as you can see. And another one that is doing well and flowering is the Noir de Carmes. That is the small little dark green cantaloupe, and is already flowering. Right here I have a flower. Down there you can see there's another flower start to open. So this one is doing very well. Right here we have the eggplants. Some of them are doing better than others. Here on this corner they are kind of small, but right here I have few that are doing, they're nice bushy strong plants. The variety I do have marked down somewhere. All of them, for example, this one is the white eggplant, and probably this one is the same because I always have two specimens of a different variety. And I have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably around 8 different varieties of eggplant here. I'm not gonna go through all the different varieties today. Maybe when they're gonna start to produce fruit, I'm gonna tell you what they are. Right here I have some peanuts. That is really a challenge to grow, obviously, here, but I'm pretty positive I might be able to get something this year. There's actually a flower, if you see it, that yellow bud down there is actually a flower. What peanut do, they flower and then the tip goes down into the ground, and that's where the peanuts is going to grow underground. Is like, you know, the shell is going to be underground. So at the end of the season, you pull the plant up and you see what you have under. But this year, it might, like I say, I might have a good chance to get something because thanks to the plastic, I'm gonna keep it there for the summer, and then comes winter, I'm gonna start reusing the plastic. Now comes winter, comes fall, anyway, September. I'm gonna start to use the plastic, so I might be able to stretch the growing season for another month or so. So we'll see about that. Right here we have peppers. I'm actually seeing a few flowers. You can see it there. Here too is a nice flower that is opening right now. And same as the plant. Sorry for the noise. There's a truck passing by. I have different varieties that I'm gonna tell you about in the future when there's the fruit set and everything. And this is like the other melon bed, not doing that great. This one, I don't know what is going on with it, but it's not growing. It's alive, but this is supposed to be another seedless watermelon. Right there I have a cantaloupe, a Mickey Lee watermelon, and more cantaloupe down there, and here too, another 2 cantaloupes. This bed I'm gonna change. I'm gonna show you in a future video what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be a big change because I'm not sure about this watermelon, so I'm gonna work a bit here, put something in it, and it's an experiment that I decided to do it because I don't want to waste this area this year because I'm sure it's not gonna grow. I'm still gonna leave it, but I'm gonna do something else. I'll show you. And last one, this is the brassica and the allium tunnel. I have to go through it to do some weeding because I don't open it often. And I can see here there are shallots. Right here there's supposed to be green onions, but I don't know if I have what's going on down there with these ones, what they are. They could be, it looks like chamomile to me. I'm tempted to leave it and see. I'm probably gonna leave it. See, I'm pretty sure it's chamomile. Here I have some garlic and some leeks right here, and some weeds or something that's self-seeded, but I'm gonna take it out. And here are the brassica that I don't remember what they are, and I hope I put the label somewhere, usually close to the base. There, no, but we'll see when they produce. I think the only one that I might have a problem is the collards, because it's the first year I grow and they don't really produce a fruit. So I think it's this one are the collards. So this could be cauliflower. This one clearly is a kale. There's something eating the leaves. I hope it's not cabbage moth. Hopefully it's just some snails, because that's why I grow them under this cover, to prevent the cabbage moth placing the eggs. But I have some kohlrabi here and another kohlrabi. Like there you can see that it's starting to develop the bulb. So next one, oh, I see something going on. This could be a Romanesco broccoli. Let's see again if I can find the label. Yeah, this one I have it, and it is a Romanesco. So I can see right there. Let me see if I can show it to you. There's another head forming. So first year I'm growing this Romanesco broccoli. We'll see how it goes. Oh, now I remember. The first one right here, they're actually, these two, they are Brussels sprouts. So Brussels sprouts right here, collards, kale, Romanesco broccoli, and this beaten up. Let me see if I see what's going on. Maybe snails, we'll see. This one right here, they're broccoli. So I don't know how it's gonna go. Might not doing very good. This one too has been eating pretty good. Anyway, this one, then it's a cauliflower. So cauliflower, and then last, those are the cabbages. So I have 1, 2, 3 red cabbages and 2 Savoy cabbages. One, it might look even to have the beginning of forming a head. This one, they look kind of tall for cabbages, but maybe it's too hot. Yeah, but we'll see. This year was strange because it was very cold, but under this cover it might be too hot. I don't know. We will see how they produce. So that's what's inside the tunnel, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.